Hello, I'm Elena Simperl from King's College London. I'm a professor of computer science and the technical lead of MediaFutures. My team at King's College is responsible for a work package that will help startups and artists apply data and AI-related tools and approaches in their pilots. These range from finding and cleaning a dataset and training machine learning models to using AI responsibly and understanding the whole spectrum of human and social factors in AI. We will also create a MediaFutures toolkit that will compile our learnings and experiences from doing innovation in this exciting space. The media sector has been in disarray for many years. This is not news to anyone anymore. Technology companies and social networks have become increasingly powerful. They have access to data and to insights about large scores of the population. As this pandemic has shown us, they have capacities to data gathering and processing far superior to many governments in the world, and they can even decide which governments have access to their platform and their people. With this power, they can single-handedly transform how people produce and consume information and news online, including scientific evidence and high-quality journalism. In MediaFutures, we believe this is a space which is up for disruption. We believe in STEAM approaches, which bring together STEM, so science, technology, engineering, and maths, and arts, which can deliver unexpected solutions and experiences to common concerns around misinformation, polarization, and disengagement with institutions and established frameworks of reference. Add open innovation and entrepreneurship to this mix, and you can start thinking seriously about solutions and experiences that can be rolled out at scale to large parts of the population, and about their impact on the economy, on the society, and on the environment. Data is crucial to tackling these challenges. It plays a multifaceted role. Data can be a huge differentiator in data science and AI. If a small set of tech firms collect huge amounts of this data, this puts them at huge advantage compared to competitors, because it is very difficult for a newcomer to deploy the same sophisticated technologies without access to relevant data. This data is costly to acquire or requires one to run a successful business with a huge user base, which is not the case at the start. But there are other contributing factors related to data. The business models that thrive on collecting more data and optimizing content based on questionable popularity metrics. The huge costs associated with deploying the latest advances in AI, for instance, neural networks with millions and billions of parameters that cost exorbitant amounts to train, as well as the huge data skills divide that makes competition for talent in this space really tough. I think the key messages of MediaFutures are as follows. There is huge value in approaching grand challenges holistically. Bringing together STEM, arts, startups will lead to different solutions to common concerns. There is huge value in approaching this matchmaking exercise through open innovation, including competitive calls, tailored support and services, and co-designed toolkits. But we also know that we will only succeed if we manage to build a vibrant community around us. So join us today, submit to the open call, become an evaluator, become a mentor, a trainer, because the journey is going to be very exciting, and I think we can make a difference. This project is very special to me. It's a natural progression from the open innovation programs I have helped deliver in the last decades, like the Open Data Incubator for Europe. I have eclectic tastes and interests, and I thrive from learning from different subjects. The fact that we're bringing together two worlds, accelerators and arts residencies, and we work on such a rich, important topical subject is very exciting, and I wouldn't want to be anywhere else.